Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to import any project from GitHub into your Unity editor. First of all, you need to download the file and then you need to extract, and if you want you can rename it. I rename it to Quizmaster only, and now you need to open your Unity Hub, and you need to add project from disk, and now you need to find and select the project. Add your project, and if your project is in another version, the unit will open a new window and ask for you to download the correct editor version. You can click and wait a little, and then here we are. It's almost finished. You need to open the scenes folder and just double click the main scene, and now you have it. The project is already in your Unity editor, and now you can play. Awesome, it's working perfect. Thank you guys. Subscribe and leave a comment if you like. Goodbye.